Hi, this is called Dancing Little Ladies. And the reason that I named it such is because I was trying to go to my next level of artwork. Large wall space, multiple colors, modular style that could be changed. My first one was actually done 20 years ago, and it was named Calendar Flowers. That one we will see in another video that developed a flower blossoming. This one is a closed flower with its petals down below, and it reminded me of a dervish, the type of Turkish dancer that had the very large skirt around it. And so that's why I call them little dancers. The whole idea is that this is part of a suite of 16, hopefully to be purchased all as one for one large sweeping wall where the colors just rebound. I love them. They're interchangeable. They're museum mounted, so they're easy to put up and keep in line. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Again, this starts with a canvas back, a canvas holder, and the need to be able to support ever increasing amounts of paper that has been photographically imaged in layers with very, very specific colors and textures, and cut and pasted and put together. So it actually has support from the inside and able to sustain on its own while it's actually projected from the wall or perpendicular to its actually long axis. So you can see this is my inner mind working that's put together everything since I started at the age of 13 and developed the inner Pollock, the inner Brito, a little Matisse, a little pointillism, Photoshop, halftones. It's a mixture, but presented in a very large style. Hope you enjoy it.